Today I'm going to show you how to make an impressive Captain America shield using this cardboard box. Let's do this! So if you are new to this channel, I'm your friend, and here I do tutorial videos where I show you how to make amazing props from your favorite movies and TV shows using templates and cardboard.
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
Also, don't forget to check out the description box below as you'll find there all tools and products that I use in this tutorial. Now let's dive right in. First things first, get your hands on those templates from my shop, links down in the description box below. Now glue those templates onto your cardboard and grab your weapon of choice, box cutter or precision knife. Me, I swear by the precision knife. It's clean, sharp and slices to cardboard with a high accuracy. Okay, that may look like a lot of cardboard to cut, but no stress. It's not that much, just take your time, stay sharp. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, and I promise you, at the end you'll be very happy with the end result.
This all day.
Start with piece number 1, crush those corrugations a bit to give it a slight curve. Make 4 more, glue them along the edges, and voila, you've got your base circle. Now cut pieces number 2 and 2bis, glue them together the same way and add a slight curve. Make 4 more and attach them along the edges of piece number 1. Once that's done, seal all the notches with glue. Time to mix things up, mix 2 parts water, 1 part glue. Stir up some grey pepper, Amazon delivery pepper works great, and cover the entire top surface of your shield for a smooth battle ready finish. Flip the shield over, take a sharp object, push pins works great, and push through the center to mark it on the top side with a pencil. This will be your guide for the next step. Now grab some grey uncorrugated cardboard. Cut 2 pieces number 3, glue them together, then stick them on the shield, aligning the tip with the center. Make 4 more and arrange them in a star formation. Repeat the process with piece number 4, reinforcing that iconic star. Glue piece number 5 here, leaving a tiny gap at the side. Then glue piece number 5 bis right next to it. Repeat this process for the remaining 4 gaps. Now for the first ring, stack 3 layers of piece number 6, glue them around the shield, making sure they line up with piece number 5, leaving only a tiny 3mm gap in between. For the second ring, stack 2 layers of piece number 7. By the way, if you don't have grey uncorrugated cardboard, no worries. Just glue some of the grey paper you used to cover the shield earlier onto the brown cardboard you have, like Amazon envelopes. It will work like a charm.
Yeah.
For this ring, alternate between pieces 7 and 7bis, the one with the notches. Now stack and glue pieces number 8 for the third ring, and pieces number 9 for the final outer ring. This is where your shield really starts looking like caps. Once that's done, use some grey and brown paper to hide all the seams between the pieces. To finish the fourth ring, glue another layer on top using pieces number 10. Keep it flush with the edge of the shield for that smooth, polished look. Now take a grey pencil and darken these 5 areas around the star. Then flip the shield over and cover the back side with grey paper just like you did for the front earlier. Now let's work on the back of the shield. Glue pieces 11 and 12 together like this, make another one, flip it and glue it underneath, then cover the whole thing with brown paper. Here's a cool trick. Take small strips of grey paper, roll them up, dip them into the glue and water mix, then slice them into little circles. This will serve as the shield bolts. Cut outer piece number 13, fold it along the red lines, cover it with brown paper and glue it right here. Make another one exactly the same way and glue it on the opposite side. Then glue the entire element onto one side of the shield and make another one for the opposite side. Attach some straps to the mounting pieces so you can properly handle your shield. Then, to lock in that iconic metallic shine, apply 2 layers of a glossy varnish.
You're up. It's time.
And there you have it, an impressive Captain America shield made out of cardboard. Now if you want to make more props and things out of cardboard, click on this video right here, Google things or like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next epic cardboard tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next one.